Hello friends, see you again. This is Claire from Guangzhou Keou Lighting. Now we are in the factory for special outdoor lighting. You can see this is our floodlight. Now it is waiting to load container tomorrow. Let's move inside and have a look at our assembling line. Okay, now it is our assembling line for outdoor lighting. This is the RGB floodlight. Now we fit the reflective cup onto the LED tube. This is our 400 watt LED driver for floodlight. We will connect like this. This side we put here like this. It's for better cooling down the working temperature. This is our aging test. We will check the product one by one to make sure it is working after our customer receive it. We will make the aging test so that you don't need to worry about our quality. Please contact our sales directly. Thank you.